I recently had to disassemble my new dividing head, and for all the extra stuff they include, you'd think that they'd throw in a pin wrench so you can actually take the thing apart. Now none of mine would fit, and the hardware store was wanting about $10 for an adjustable one, and it's not that that's bad value or anything. In fact, it's probably just the smart option to buy one, but why buy an off-the-shelf model when you can make the same thing in the workshop, only more expensive and costing you half a day? I'm starting off with an 8-inch adjustable spanner. I really have no clue how they're able to make them for the price. It's not a great spanner by any means, but it's still pretty decent. I want to drill a hole in each of the jaws. However, this is hardened, so I'll have to first heat it up to soften the temper. And a file shows that it's probably 60 plus Rockwell C hardness. I heated the part with a butane torch, and I slowly let it air cool. And after cooling, the file easily bites into it. Now this certainly isn't my finest fixturing job, though for 30 seconds of drilling, this should work fine. The holes are now nicely counterbored and drilled. All I have to do now is turn down some pins and weld them in. And that's turned out a lot better than I thought it would. Plus, I actually think I saved money compared to actually buying one in a store. Total cost was only about $7, though I did have to spend a few hours doing this. I have had to grind away a decent amount of material on both sides of the jaws to actually make it fit, but it works really well. It even works on the angle grinder too. Now I'm still not a great welder. I think I used a little bit too much current. There's a little bit of pitting, though I am getting a bit better, slowly. Overall, it's a pretty decent way to spend a few hours. I really like the look of it, though I'm pretty sure I'm not the first person to do this. And that's about it for now. I hope you enjoyed this one, and with that, thanks for watching.